So the next is page not found. If you have no broken link, I advise you to just go for no page not found because it's basically the same issue. No page not found issues. So if you happen to get page not found like broken links, like what I said earlier is that if you need to resolve this, number one, the page not found, you can create the page. You can recreate the page and then link the to be linking to back to the link, or you can redirect the visitor to the home page and they will navigate. They'll be able to navigate from the home page to every other page on the website, just like this. Anybody that goes to the homepage of this website, they'll be able to find this. If they can't find that, they'll go here and let's say Michael, because I noticed Michael was part of the title. So they can search, you get to the content. So they basically, or banks. So this is it. So you can take it to the home page, and last but not the least, lastly, you can basically tell them to. You can basically they can delete. They can delete the link if they like.